Righty. You let them do what they do because you're going to show them a show. You're going to put a show on for them. Where's the Four of Pentacles here? Why is it here? Queen of Wands. Could be a fire sign. You let them know that you're about business. You're courageous. You're a great leader. You're very knowledgeable. Why is the Four of Pentacles here? Because here you are. You see them. You're very much in tune to what's going on. That's why you're laughing at them. Really, you're just saying, okay, you want to play with me and be sneaky in 2025. I'm going to give you a show when it comes to your love life. And while you're getting them a show, you're making your money. And reconciling and rejoicing and you celebrating. Anything else for Three of Cups for Scorpio 2025 when it comes down to love?